Bonjour, mes amis. So today we have the $15 a month beauty subscription boxes that I get, and basically this will be for the month of April 2018. I do get three of them, and one is Macy's, another one is Look Fantastic, and the third one is Allure. I know Look Fantastic is 16, but it's also on the price range. I wanted to include all of those and give you a review which one I actually love this month of April. So here we go. Let's start by looking at what I got for Look Fantastic. I do have a lot of reviews specific to each one. So if you are interested in seeing those, you can see in the bottom, or you can check out my channel, and I have a lot of reviews. So this box smells so good. So let's start with that one. So I have Beauty Box. This one is the Look Fantastic, right? Yeah, Look Fantastic one. Comes with a magazine like always, apart from the magazine that explains what product is what. And this one came with this amazing thing. It's called Vegan by Dr. Botanical. It smells divine. Like I just want to like absorb it in my skin, eat it, drink it. It smells really, really good. So that's one of the first things that I got. Then we have a mascara by Purr Fully Charged. We got this Nip and Fab daily cleansing pads that are never bad to get. Then we have this Moringa cleansing balm. That we got this cream hydrating moisturizing cream for 48 hours. All great brands. And then we have the Glam Glow. This one is mud mask treatment. So all those things I really enjoy, and it's only $16. It comes all the way from Europe. And yes, let's go into the next box. Yeah, you know I'm OCD with the things. This one is Macy's. This is also for the month of April 2018. I got in this bag the card. I got the Skin Purifying Green Tea. It's a sheet mask. Let's see. I got this was like the skin basically samples for like makeup. I got a natural deodorant, which I was actually happy to get. I did get Wild Rose facial sleeping brightening thing by Chorus. I also got the Kula mineral sunscreen unscented. I got like two of these samples before, and I like the texture as to use it as a primer, but I hate that it doesn't have like that much of a tint to it. It's just like feels like nothing. And then I have the Origins. This one is an eye cream, so you guys know. So this one is okay as well. And then we have the last one, the last box. That is Allure Beauty Box. So Allure Beauty Box came with the little notebook, little thing. Came with this makeup eraser sample. Came with that lip thing that looks like full size. Came with the Chorus pomegranate cleansing gel. I guess they had, all of the brands are having that. Then I came with a conditioner and a shampoo from Rawa. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. And then this one is a makeup primer. And that's about it. So I mean, I really like from this thing that it came with this makeup eraser that only needs water. And if you want to see the review for the box, come and check it out. But that one is the only thing I liked about this box, and the lip thing, which I always like lip things. But that's about it. On the other hand, on Macy's, I have a couple of things that I liked, including the face mask that it's like always needed. And the natural deodorant, I would say. The other things are like, okay, yeah, they're good brands, but yeah, On the other hand, we have the Fantastic. We had so many good things on this one that I think this month it wins everything. We got the Glam Glow. We have that vegan thing. We have like the moisturizer to take out, which is a decent size. The pads to take away the makeup, and this one, which is an added bonus, and the mascara, of course. So like I think that this month, this one is the best one. So what do you think? Do you like any of the other boxes that I opened, or do you have a favorite? Please leave it up below in the comments and give it a thumbs up, and I hope to see you guys in my next review. Bye.